What is your perception of insurance? Now, if it's good, that is excellent. You probably had a great time with your insurance representative as well as in the claims process. However, if it's bad, I can tell you why. You're paying money into a system that you don't know anything about, really. You buy policies, which is an agreement between you and the insurer about what your coverage is. But do you actually know what your coverage is? Do you actually know the language that's actually in the policy? For most cases and most average everyday person, probably not. And to me, that's a problem because I've been working in the insurance industry for about 4 years, and every time I mentioned the that I'm in the insurance industry, I always kind of get a weird look, like, "Oh, you're in that industry." Like, okay, because I get it. It's a cash cow that people pay money and they barely ever use it. So why are they paying this money? Well, I mean, of course, you have to have insurance required by law. Plus, it will help you save your financial status, especially when you get into predicaments or accidents. However, I want to make a system that makes it easier for you to understand what your policy is saying. If you're able to understand what your policy is saying, you know whether or not you're getting a good deal on your premiums that you pay every month, as well as understanding, oh, and keeping the insurance companies at a high standard.